This is the latest car available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. It's a 1958 Chevy Impala two-door hardtop. It's the factory cream and anniversary gold color with the gold interior. Inside is pretty clean. Does have vintage air that's been added. Keys in my pocket, so it's a 283 V8 automatic transmission. Does have factory power steering and power brakes. Underneath of the hood is pretty detailed. It looks pretty clean under here. Car runs and drives excellent. I would call it a driver condition car. I mean, it's not a fresh restoration, but it isn't junk either. You know, pretty clean paint, body, but it's far from perfect. You know, it's not an A1 show car. Again, this is the latest car available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. If you're interested in this car or any of our others, give us a call. Send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe to our page for more videos of classic cars.